Hello friends, all right, so let's do a quick recap on gold pair. Seeing today we're expecting the CPI news and let's see where the market will be going. Okay, so if you have been watching our video before now, on Monday when we are here, I told you guys that the market is going to come here because we recognize a pattern that we know very well. Okay, and if you watch that video, I think let me just play that video for you so you will see when we are here and our thought process at this point. Very, very important. Anytime you are trading any market and you see a sharp move up, a sluggish move, what comes to your mind is this might be an expansion for the market to continue moving up. Okay, so this is a pattern that we have seen over and over again in every market. All right, so and you must pay attention to this if you want to be profitable in your trading career. Now this calls for an expansion pattern, and this is one of the patterns we trade every time we see it happen. So, and that is what actually the market is playing out. So where would this C wave end? I don't know, but looking at what the market has played out before, we're expecting the market at least to touch this point, before if it give us a confirmation. Okay, as you've seen, once the market came here now, so then we saw this pattern, and this was also a bullish structure for us. Okay, and then the market starts moving. All right, so but what then do we expect? Now this has come and gone. All right, even if you did catch that buy, there's no problem, because one thing about this trading is that opportunities are there before you every day. So the best thing you can do for yourself is to learn how to understand what you're seeing. Understand it thou which thou seest or readest. Even the Bible made it clear to us that we must seek for understanding. So, and once you begin to understand this simple concept of wave analysis, you see that every other thing will start making sense. So let's do a small quick down analysis on what has happened here and what we should be expecting. We've seen that the market actually is going sluggish. This is a sluggish move. Okay, so we have an impulse, we have a correction, we have an impulse, we have a correction. So, and this has played out. Obviously, structurally, I think this is a complete structure. Now, but if this market decides to break this high, now it hasn't broken this high at this moment, but if it decides to break this high, then what we should be expecting for this CPI news is a very massive sell-off. Okay, so this sell-off will come and probably it might break this low. So for you to be on the safe side, for me, I think we should wait for a structure that confirms a sell. All right, because looking at how this market plays out, we should be expecting a sharp drop before if actually it should continue to move high. Okay, so let's make it more clear here. If you go down to 15 minutes, you go down to 15 minutes, guys, and see where the market is coming from. Now, let's not forget that, okay, the market actually started trading from here. Okay, so let's just put that to perspective. So we have this low here and we have this high here. Okay, so this is an impulse, and all this one is just a sharp move down, and this is a corrective move. So what should we expect? Even though the structure is not complete here. Now, if the market breaks here, drops here, it becomes an expanding flat for it to push moving high. Also, if the market starts from here to drop here, it might actually break this low. It should break this low and also break this low and start pushing the low. Okay, so now if you take a look on, also if you zoom in here now, you can see we have this. Let's put this together here. Okay, so we have this, we also have this. So here now we have a structure, impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. So we can see this is a W, X, Y, X, Z. So this is a complete structure. Now, anything can happen in gold, guys. So that's why we are flowing it carefully. We are trading based on what the market has given us. So at this point in time, I personally will be interested in selling, not buying. Okay, because I see this to be a complete structure. So what should you expect? Now, if you zoom in more here, then begin to follow the structural nature of the market. So let's equate this. Let's put this here. Okay, so this is a trend that is already going. So what do we expect here? Now on this smaller time frame, okay, 15 minutes time frame, the market is just going sideways. All right, so but what might be playing out here is whereby we see the market stalling here, pushes up, it will be stalling until finally it drops. Okay, so trading at this point now might be very dangerous. So for you to be on a safe side, for the market to break a structure, so that means at this point might be like a sell setup, a sell stop, a sell stop, a sell stop, a sell stop. And obviously, even if the market didn't come to break all the lows, at least it will come to this point. Okay, what you are seeing here now is all potential sell stop setup. Okay, but I'm not telling you to take this trade anyway, but just do your own due diligence. Now, my own concept is based on wave analysis, and that is what I'm presenting for you guys here, so I can help you to begin to see this thing in a new horizon. Okay, so if you are interested to learn how to trade using wave analysis, why not contact using the detail below, and I'll be glad to help you to start seeing this the right way. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.